How to install TikTok Pixel on Shopify, step by step 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well and are having an amazing day. So I bring you back with another Shopify tutorial. In this video, we're going to be going through how you can add and use TikTok Pixel on your Shopify account. Now, we all know what TikTok is, obviously, but TikTok Pixel is basically an add-on that you can put on your Shopify, which basically generates ad revenues on your Shopify page. And you can basically you can place your Shopify ads on your TikTok, and you can do that through TikTok Pixel. And then whoever clicks on it or maybe buys from it, you'll get that revenue in your TikTok Pixel, and you can take that revenue and put it in your Shopify and then just make money. So basically, TikTok Pixel is a great way to make money through ads. So it's going to be very simple. It's going to be very easy. I'm going to walk you through all of it. Just follow every single step of mine and listen to every single instruction. And by the end of this video, you're going to know how to add and use TikTok Pixel properly on your Shopify. So, of course, let's get right into it without further ado. First of all, obviously, you're going to go and write Shopify and go on Shopify.com. Now, what you're going to want to do is obviously create an account for yourself, and I'm going to walk you through how you can do it. So, you're going to put in any type of email you want. So, let's put this. Then you're going to click on Start Free Trial. Now you're just going to put in any secure password of yours that you can remember, and you can also edit the shop name over here, but of course I'll just leave it like this. You can edit it if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it like this. This is basically the URL that someone will use to go to your Shopify store. Now you're just going to click on Create Your Store, and you're going to wait for it to verify and load you up. So once it's loaded up and it's given you the all clear, what it's going to want to do is it's going to authorize you, it's going to verify you, and then it's going to log you in. So yeah, here we are on account setup. So here we go. First of all, it says tell us a little about yourself. So if you are already selling, you can choose any one of these. You can do I'm just playing around, I'm not selling, I'm selling just not online. You can choose any one of these depending on whatever you're doing. So I'm just going to do this, or just do I'm just playing around. And you're gonna make sure to put in like TikTok related stuff, because obviously you're gonna want to use that just in case. So just choose things. What is your current revenue? You can put in your current revenue, whatever it is. Which industry? You can put in your industry, and then you can just go next. If you don't want to do these steps, you can just keep on skipping if you want to. I would do it just in case. So then you're gonna put in your name. So you put in your name, then you can put in your address if you want to, and you're going to put in your lane. And once all of that is done, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on Enter My Store. Now, once you click on Enter My Store, what's going to happen is that you're going to be redirected to the main store that Shopify has, and we're just going to wait for it to load up so I can start explaining the main interface of how Shopify really works. So here we go. Here's the main interface of Shopify. Now, of course, do remember this, that Shopify gives you a free trial, but on the free trial, you can just do a few things, not a lot of them, because Shopify is a paid platform, and all the main features come with a paid platform. So please do make sure that if you want to start properly working on Shopify, make sure that you buy it properly and you buy the proper subscription of it. Now, once you do all of this, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to add product, customize theme, add a custom domain, connect more sales channel if you want to, set up point of sale, and set up a payment provider. Now, for TikTok Pixel, what we're going to need to do is obviously we're going to set up our wallet. And I recommend you, before getting into TikTok Pixel, you're going to need to set up your wallet, obviously. So just go on settings. The settings are going to be right under here. You're going to go on Manage Account, or you can just go on the bottom left and click on Settings. And once you click on that, you're just going to go on Billing. And once you're on Billing, it's going to load you up. And here you're going to just go on Add Payment Method. Now, you can either add your credit card or your PayPal account. These are the only two ways. There's no bank transfer or anything. So either credit card or PayPal, you're going to put in your information, and then you're going to add it. Now, once that is done, you're obviously going to check your fiat currency, whatever it is. And once you do that, it's going to tell you if your subscription has gone from the trial to another. Now, obviously, today's 5th November, so my trial will end in 3 days, which is 8th November. So you just have to do it before that, and once your trial ends, you will have to buy the main subscription. So once you've done all that and your account is a proper paid subscribed account, now what you're going to want to do is in this left taskbar over here where you can see many features like home, order, product, and down here you can see the different sales channel. On the bottom, you will see apps. Now, you're going to click on apps, and it's going to take you to the search bar over here. And you're just going to go and write TikTok. You're just going to write TikTok. Don't write TikTok Pixel. Just write TikTok, and then it's going to start loading. And now, here you're going to come to the Shopify App Store. Now, what you're going to want to do is download or add TikTok to your Shopify store. Now, once you've added that, it says non-compatible because of the region of my account, but your region should either be the UK or the USA. If it's any other region than that, then I don't think this will work for you. So make sure the region is US or UK. So once everything is done, you're just going to click on it. And obviously for me, it says not compatible, but you're just going to add this. And once you've added this, it's going to come down right here in your apps. It's going to show that you have TikTok. Then what you're going to want to do is you're just going to go and click on TikTok. And from there on out, you're just going to click on TikTok. It's going to open this whole interface that way. I'm just going to show you right. It's going to open this whole interface in front of you. And let me go to images. Yeah. So once you click on it, it's going to show you this type of interface where it's going to show you the TikTok ads manager and stuff like that. Now, on the first one, it's going to show you the TikTok Pixel add-on. Now, the TikTok Pixel add-on is obviously paid, and you're going to have to pay for it because obviously you're going to make ad revenue out of it. So ad revenues are going to be paid for you. So you're just going to click on the TikTok Pixel add-on. And from there on out, what's going to happen is that it's going to ask you to connect your TikTok Ads Manager. Now, to do that, you're going to need to go on TikTok Ads Manager or TikTok Business Ads account, and you're going to need to make your business account. Now, once you've made your business account, what you're going to want to do is go back to your Shopify where your TikTok Pixel page is open, and then you're just going to connect your business account to your TikTok account, and what that will do is it will generate your TikTok Pixel account. And from there on out, it's going to ask you what type of account you want, if it's like a wide range business or a small range business, the business for which you're going to generate ads. You're just going to put in those information. And once you put in all that information, yeah, that's about it. Your TikTok ads or your TikTok Pixel account will be created. Now, what you're going to want to do is the main work will be on TikTok Ads Manager and your Shopify page, because obviously you're going to take the TikTok Ads Manager, take the Shopify products you have, and you're going to obviously display it in the TikTok app. So the products you have over here that you're going to add, obviously I don't have any right now. So you're just going to go and add your products. You're going to add any type of product. For example, if you're selling a shirt or maybe some type of voucher, you're going to put that. And once your TikTok Ads Manager is connected to your Shopify, those products will automatically start showing on the TikTok Ads Manager. And obviously, you're going to need to create a proper TikTok account on your phone. So obviously, once you put that in, then you're just going to click on the prompt that says to show your products on the TikTok page. And yeah, once you do that, you're going to start making revenue on your products that are going to be on TikTok through TikTok Ads Manager. And the revenue you'll make will be displayed on the TikTok Ads Manager. And from there on out, you can take the revenue and put it in your Shopify account and then just withdraw it. And that's how easy it is. So those were the simple, quick, and efficient steps of how you can add TikTok Pixel and how you can use it to your benefit. It's a very secure process and you don't need to worry about anything. Even though if you do have any more problems or queries related to this video, please let me know down in the comments and I'll get straight back to you. And if you want to see any more Shopify related video or any TikTok related video or tutorial, please let me know and I will make those for you. But yeah, until then, like the video and subscribe to the channel because that helps me out a lot. And share this video to anyone in need or anyone who wants to know how ad revenues work for Shopify. And leave a nice comment if you liked the video. But yeah, till then, I hope you all keep having a great day. I'll see you next time then. Goodbye.